Today we're stretching for our neck, our upper back and spine. Okay, so this is the head of your dragon and the two legs, the tail of the dragon. Okay, and the whole body. Inhale from the left. Exhale, move down. Let it go. Dear friends, welcome back to Qigong meditation channel again. So today in this video we will have 10 minutes to practice Qigong stretching, and today we're stretching for our neck, our upper back and spine. Okay, so standing your two legs as wide as your shoulders, and then you breathe in. You cross your two palms, face your palms up, and bend your head forward. Keep your knees straight. Out, you jump and holding your two palms together and turn to the left. Push your hands down here and push up. Breathe in, look up and breathe out. Bend down and stretch down. Hold still to the left. Okay, your two elbows outside your ears. In, stretch up and out. Center. In, move to the left. Stretch up. Out. Pull down. In, stretch up. Out. Stand tall in the center. In, jump. Out, let it go. Breathe in. Cross your two palms. Out, jump. In from the left. Stretch up. Out. Move down. Look down to the earth. Inhale. Stretch up. Exhale, center. Inhale from the right. Stretch up. Exhale, move down. In, stretch up. Out, center. In, jump. Out, let it go. Release all tensions. Okay, one more time. In. Out. Inhale from the left. Exhale, move down. Let it go. All tension and worries. Inhale, stretch up again. Exhale, center. In from the right. Out. Inhale. Exhale, center. In, jump. Let it go. Wonderful. Inhale, open your palms. Dip. Exhale, slow. Bring your mind back to the body. Release tensions, stress from your shoulders, your neck, and your spine. Just breathe and smile to yourself. And feel comfortable on the earth. Feel your two feet. Feel your lower abdomen. Okay. The next one we call the dragon. Okay. This is my favorite one also. Standing your two feet together, so you may touch your two knees. Okay, like that. Join your palm. So this is the head of your dragon and the two legs, the tail of the dragon, okay, and the whole body. Breathe in, lift your hands up, out, turn left, in, right, out, cut left, in, cut right, out, chop down to the left and look in the back. Inhale, up again, left, exhale, cut right, in, left, out, chop down to the right. Look in the back. Inhale, point to the left. Exhale, point right. In, left. Out, right. You use your knees now, okay? In, left. Out, right. In, center. Out, jump and let it go. Inhale. Exhale, left. In, right. Out, curve left. In, curve right. Out, drop down to the left. In, left. Out, curve right. In, out, drop down to the left, to the right. In, one left. Out, right. In, in, in center. Out, jump and let it go. One more time. Inhale. Exhale, left. In, right. Out, cut left. In, right. Out, drop down to the left. In, up, left. Out, cut right. In, left. Out, drop down to the right. In, point left. Out, point right. In, left. Out, right. In, left. Out, right. In, center. Out, jump and let it go completely. That's so wonderful. Open your palms, breathe in deep. Out, slow, release all tensions from your shoulders, from your spine, your back. Then you can do massage movements. Put left palm inside, right palm outside. And then you can massage your lower abdomen with a clockwise direction. Press a little bit, breathe in. Feel wonderful to have opportunity to massage your lower abdomen. Improve your digestive system, okay? Circulate the blood for stomach. Okay, and then you massage your two palms together until you feel warm. And then side by side, the other hand. And then you can massage your face. Breathe in. In. And then you can hold in your hand on your neck and you can massage your neck. Breathe in. Look up. Breathe out, look down. Use two palms to push your neck in. That's wonderful. And then massage your lower back. Two hands. Massage your lower back and go down your two legs. And go to front. So you can do 3 rounds like that. Release tension from your legs, from your hips, your lower back, okay? Breathe in, raise your hands up. Out. Okay. To do the cleansing breath to release completely your tensions, worries from the body, okay? And from the mind. In. Stand by the toes. Out. One more time. In.